The Brazilians entered their match with the goal of sustaining their flawless beginning to the Champions League group stages on Saturday afternoon. The away match proved to be a formidable challenge, evident from their first half as Mazembe looked to unsettle their opponents, committing early fouls that resulted in Bose Ngalamulume receiving a yellow card in the 9th minute. Despite the challenges, Sundowns tried to find their rhythm with several goal attempts. Nonetheless, the early stages were marked by persistent fouls, leading to Brian Onyango also receiving a booking for his foul as the home side intensified the pressure on Downs' defense. Following a challenging first half, both teams failed to produce a goal heading into the break. Seeking a moment of brilliance to change the course of the game, both teams missed opportunities in the 45 minutes until Glody Likonza's header from the center of the box broke the deadlock in the 60th minute for the home team. Sundowns made a concerted effort to find an equalizer, but as time elapsed, Mazembe held firm to secure maximum points. Despite the defeat, the man of the match title went to Makalo Allende of Sundowns, credited for generating 5 opportunities and playing a crucial role in the team. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.